That woman is as soppy as the lorry load of monkeys. You know, I got home this evening and discovered some salesman's flogged her a doorbell that plays 36 National Anthems.
I got one of them.
Yes, I'd have put money on that trick. The difference is I live in a mock Georgian mansion on King's Avenue, and our neighbours are not going to appreciate being awoken by the sound of long-live Swaziland every time the milkman calls.
Oh, he still calls round then, does he?
I'm off home now, boys. Don't be too late.
No, I'll be about an hour. You'll know it's me. I'll play Mexico Forever on the front door.
Wave goodbye to your daddy.